Hi, I'm Bill Graham. I'm the president of the Rotary Dare to Be Great Global E-Club and a founding board member of the Artificial Intelligence Rotary Fellowship. Today, we want to introduce you to our fellowship and suggest why you should consider joining us. But first, let's look at what's happening with AI and why this is so important to you and your family. The world's on a threshold of the most significant transformation in human history. Your life and the lives of your children and grandchildren are about to be radically changed forever. Imagine a world where all diseases are curable, climate change is reversible, and poverty is eliminated. These aren't just dreams anymore. AI is already showing us pathways to these solutions, working at speeds that would take human researchers centuries to match. The potential benefits of AI for humanity are breathtaking. But at the same time, many of the world's leading technologists are warning us that if we don't guide this technology carefully, it could lead to very bad consequences, including even the end of humanity as we know it. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now in our lifetime. Let's start by looking at what AI can do already, what's coming very soon, and how this will transform all our lives. Today, AI can already hold natural conversations with humans in many of the world's languages about any topic. It can see, hear, and understand anything humans can see and hear, but in much greater detail. It can write everything from technical reports to novels, create art and even videos. It can compose music, write complex software, etc., all from simple instructions. AI completes in minutes what takes humans weeks, months, or even years to complete, consistently implementing optimal solutions across every field. Now, in 2025, AI is moving beyond analysis and creation to autonomous action. Starting with self-driving cars, AI systems are beginning to independently initiate and perform real-world tasks, responding to situations without involvement of humans. For example, self-driving cars react to situations without human involvement. This capability is rapidly expanding across every domain. Soon, AI systems will autonomously perform every process needed for human well-being, from food production to healthcare to manufacturing and maintenance. These changes are accelerating dramatically, creating a world where AI does everything, freeing humans from the need to work for survival. Increasingly, AI is able to perform every task better, faster, and less expensively than any human can. This includes tasks requiring skills such as creative and critical thinking, emotional intelligence and empathy, and complex problem solving, which we erroneously thought were exclusively human capabilities. This is because we typically saw AI as a question of human intelligence versus machine intelligence. But in reality, it's a question of the knowledge and experience of individual humans versus the collective recorded knowledge and experience of all humanity, with the added benefit of knowing which ideas and actions led to the best results. For many humans, this means unprecedented opportunities. Imagine having a team of brilliant AI assistants working for you 24/7, handling everything from deep research to creative design to complex analysis. Those who master AI tools will have extraordinary advantages in their careers and businesses, at least for some time. Millions of developers are already working to develop AI agents for every imaginable business and personal process. These will include AI agents that develop AI agents. Already in 2025, AI agents that can outperform humans in literally every process will be readily available. But as AI and robots become more capable, fewer and fewer human workers will be needed to meet all of society's needs. Several reputable institutions have predicted that in just a few years, up to half of all workers in developed countries could lose their jobs, mostly to AI, but physical labor job losses will not be far behind. Humanoid robots are already working on the factory floor of a major car manufacturer, and one company plans to ship 100,000 humanoid robots this year alone. Some major tech leaders predict that humanoid robots could outnumber humans by 2040. While many people see massive job losses as a catastrophe, many tech leaders see this as the beginning of an era of abundance, where humans are freed from the need to work for survival, a world where AI and robots produce everything everybody needs at very low costs. But the transition to this new world could be turbulent without proper planning. We need to ensure it's fair and peaceful for everyone. That's why you need to understand what's happening with AI and to get involved to ensure it evolves in a way that serves all of us fairly. When might all this happen? Some say it could begin before the end of this year. But even if it's 3 to 5 years away, that's an extremely short time. To put this in perspective, imagine a family with children planning to start university in a couple of years. What should they study? Will their chosen career still exist in 4 to 5 years? Will any traditional career path remain viable? Will universities even continue to exist as institutions of learning? Do people even need to study if all knowledge is instantaneously available on demand 24/7? And your all-knowing, always-on AI companion is likely to be whispering in your ear what you need to know before you even realize that you need to know it. So even if the biggest changes are 4 to 5 years away, their impact should be considered today. The likely state of jobs and the world in 5 to 6 years are crucial to decisions families need to be making right now. This is why timing is critical. The pace of change is unlike anything humanity has ever experienced before. We're not talking about gradual shifts over generations. We're talking about fundamental changes to society and humanity within the next 2 to 5 years. That's why we created the Artificial Intelligence Rotary Fellowship. We're dedicated to understanding these rapid developments and helping people prepare for what's coming. We need engaged, concerned members like you to help ensure this transition benefits everyone fairly. My colleagues will now explain how, together, we can help shape one of the most important transitions in human history and how you can join us in this crucial mission. Remember, the future is rushing towards us faster than most people realize. The decisions we make in the next few months and years will shape the world our children and grandchildren will inherit. Thank you for your attention.